Okay, so this is now 10 to 12 minutes after the fireworks went off. You can see he's much more relaxed. We're just going to give him one more dose, and this time we can take a couple of the tablets, Storm Dog, in some distilled water or filtered water. You can see they dissolve very quickly, and then use a pipette to administer into the mouth, which is a bit easier than maybe the spoon or putting tablets directly in the mouth. That's a good boy, well done. So there, he's got a good dose of Storm Dog now to just help him really calm down. So that's 3 doses now. Good boy, well done. So this is now 5 minutes after taking the final 3rd dose, and you can see now he's absolutely totally relaxed. So that's 3 doses in quick succession, and it's literally about 20-25 minutes since the fireworks went off. So he's totally relaxed.